Okay, Kyrston, I hope this works. Last time we were talking, I showed you the Pearson library, and what you'll see. And by the way, I'm sorry, it sounds like I'm talking from a tunnel, but that's just the microphone and the fan going. What you'll see is they'll have the animations over here, and then you'll have these interactive figures. These are really helpful, especially for the more difficult subjects, like in Chapter 6, and, well, for you guys, 5 and 6. And if you try to open them and you see that it says, just a sec, it can't open a file because it's a CDF file. This is essentially telling you that you don't have the player for it. So I'll show you that on the course home, when it said, welcome to my math lab, blah, 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 browser check. The browser, click on the browser check if you didn't already. The browser check sees if you have Flash, Adobe Reader, all those things you already have because you've been using my math lab for a while. But it also has this one that you didn't use in previous classes. And you check the version, say that it's okay. So you'll say, no, Wolfram Alpha Player didn't work. Then you can say download it and all that other stuff. So you really should download that. Browser check, download the player. And then I thought I'd point out that in the Tools for Success, if you don't already have a good one of these, this algebra review card is pretty helpful. It's got, well, it's got algebra review, but I think it has some of those things for the inequalities and factoring polynomials. I know you don't have a problem with polynomials and stuff like that, but maybe for some later subjects, just to have it printed out in color, and we can print it on campus. Here's this absolute values with inequalities, where they're showing you if it's an OR statement right here, you set it up as an OR. If it is, I'll zoom in a little bit. If it's an AND statement right here, then you can make a compound inequality and pinch them between the two sides. So that was the algebra review card. And then there's some review in a book right here. I don't think you need it. There's the calculator reference card, but more importantly, if you're going to get the TI calculator, this one gives you a tutorial on how to use the TI 84, but not necessarily the 89. So I would say get this, because then it's going to have examples like, okay, how do I graph a cubic? And you punch through it as if it's the real calculator. It's not. It's just a simulation that can only do what they have demonstrated right here. But it's pretty cool because you can jump between different parts of the simulation. So anyway, that's why I would probably go back and say, again, either the TI-84 is what you want, or the TI Inspire with the 84 faceplate. The Inspire is going to have more capabilities later, but the 84 will probably be good enough for you if you want to save some dollars if it's cheaper. Anyway, hopefully that helps. TI calculator reminded me of that. The review card reminded me. And to get to your Wolfram Alpha stuff.